Alright guys, so this is our room. Very, very, very beautiful. We're gonna go to the bathroom first. Large shower area. Kind of spacious where you can go in and walk around. Not big enough where you can do cartwheels, but that's okay. We only needed to clean. There's Mark. Beautiful, beautiful doors. This is the closet. We stored our luggage there from the ship.
This is an upgrade too.
This is our.
We had a regular room at first, just like
a king size bed with a window.
And they upgraded us to a balcony, but it's not overlooking Bourbon and Toulouse, but it's overlooking the courtyard.
Yes, we spoke to Jana, who helped us out a lot at the front desk. Y'all already know the famous vacation hotel mirror. It's just a little chair, large TV and desk area, coffee and water. Because of the upgrade, we did get 2 double beds, which were fine. We're just sleeping in them. We're only here for 1 day, so we opted to have the double beds instead of the 1 king size, so that we can have the balcony. And of course, we are staying at 4 Points by Sheraton. So if you can see kind of the top balcony. And this is the courtyard, so there's a pool. Looks like some steps and sunbathers. Beautiful pond and water feature. Oh, there's a twin lounger for us. Looks like we're right across from the parking lot, so no funny business, mister.
We are on Bourbon Street, so we're gonna do it big. Try to.
Try to. We are definitely going to be getting lots to eat, lots to drink. And taking the sights. Luckily, like we said, we were able to check in early because this room was available. So we are going to head out, look around, explore. So we'll have more video for you all then. Mark also reminded me we also have a tour. So you'll get video from that as well. So we just got off the ship. Not really tired, ready to start our day. So we're excited to be in New Orleans.
We're going to go look around.
Yep. Bye, guys.
Made it to Bourbon Street. Just left the souvenir shop.
Y'all see this face? Who's happy? Me. They have a hurricane in there.
We gonna be drinking tonight. Okay. We gonna go on a tour first and then we gonna drink. Kinda hungry a little bit.
Kinda hungry. I think because all the food was had.
Okay, it's about
Bourbon House. Alright. Turn and go.
That's a weird place to put a staircase. Stairs are hard. Stairs outside might qualify as a torture device. If you get a chance, please, please don't miss it. #1 top travel pick, 11 years running. Don't miss it. On the left, civil courthouse. She files for that divorce. Her husband never showed up for the proceedings. She got the house, the dog, the kid, the entire sugarcane plantation here. She sold it to 2 American investors for $12,000, making her wealthy. The land is subdivided to 55 blocks. Each block has 4 homes. Between the homes are vast gardens, so they call it the garden. By the 1930s, the prevailing belief was that gambling bred corruption, so it was made illegal. It is illegal, unconstitutional to gamble here in Louisiana. Canal on Canal Street, despite the name. So if that was the American sector, then this side must have been the French Quarter. That's right, the living quarters of the French-speaking population. French Quarter for short. On the left in the middle was General Jackson on his horse, Old Duke. He's on his horse, not a horse. Behind him in the middle is St. Louis Cathedral. It is the oldest continuing operating Catholic cathedral in the U.S. Behind him on the left is the Cabildo, capital for government in the entire colony. And on the right, they started selling something new most people have never heard of. They got these big round black discs. They're kind of flat. I bought a few. They don't fit in the iPad. It's strange. Is that it? On the left, Maison. They come to New York.
Can do it. We'll stick your face in there.
Look who found her beignets.
Have to decorate for it.
This is my first beignet. See what it tastes like.
Here, 3 feet or a meter higher than where that line shows you. Now, recently, the city released the results of a survey. New Orleans has 72 neighborhoods. 2/3 are 90% occupancy return or better. I was pretty impressed with that. However, there are 3 neighborhoods that are less than 50% occupancy return. This is one of 3. Why have so few people come back here? The biggest reason? Money. After Katrina, thanks to some... If you haven't left yet, it's way too late. Everybody that was waiting on Saturday is pretty much stuck on Sunday, and a lot of people got stuck. Coming up on the, now, sorry about the street, it's really rough. There's a couple things here I want to show y'all. So coming up on the left, there's a house with a search marker. Now, every house is searched looking for bodies, survivors, and environmental hazards. On the left, this house still has a search mark on the front of it. The mark on the left tells you Wildcat, they're from West Virginia, National Guard. They found 0 bodies and 0 survivors. Those are good numbers. I was getting utilities back on. But over in Jefferson Parish, just next door, mostly didn't flood. They got power, they got AC, they got water, gas station, Walmart's open over there. Sales tax is cheaper, property tax is way cheaper, about 1/3 less, by the way. And trying to come back, it's a lot easier just to go buy a house next door than it is to move back here. So that's a breach right there. Now the height of the water in the canal shows the height of the lake. This is the height of the lake. This is sea level right here. So I want you to look to the left, study the height of the water in the lake. That's the height of sea level. Compare that sea level
where we at. Right on Bourbon Street. Right on Bourbon Street. On Tropical Ave. Number 2. She got her little mask on already.